Now, a few weeks ago, y'all watched us install some EVA flooring with some rubber top. And I asked y'all what y'all thought I was actually going to put off in here. Well, I'm going to show you today. So what I ended up doing was creating a gym area in my shop. I did have a lot of this off in my basement, and I never went off in my basement just because the only time I wanted to go down there was to do laundry. It wasn't really the best place for any of this. And I wanted to show you what all I have out here. So with my little gym setup, what we got your basic dumbbells, a few kettlebells, some balls. We got a Smith system. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I would like to replace it real soon, but no telling when that will actually happen. We got the elliptical, treadmill, solo flex, bike, stand, bars. But this right here is the main thing we're going to focus on today, which we have the new RitFit leg extension leg curl that I recently got in here, and this thing is real nice. Now this machine right here, it is fairly new to the market. Like I said, there are a lot of unique features with this compared to a lot of your other home gym ones. But let me show you how this is all put together, and then I'll tell you about some of the features involved in it. So with a lot of my equipment I have over there, it's not particularly what I want. It's just what I've had. I bought many years ago before I really knew much about workout equipment or anything like that. And I do like individual machines. So first thing I bought was this RitFit leg curl machine. Like I said, it's basically a 2-in-1 machine, and I'm going to get it all together and show you what all this little thing can do. Now, as you see, we have this all unboxed. This thing was packaged up extremely well. All 20 of these pieces right here, however many was actually here, was wrapped up in bubble wrap really well. Like I said, the only thing that was damaged in there was this was ripped off right down there. But this isn't anything important as far as functionality goes. It's just a badge that I can re-glue to the side of that. Now the very first thing we got to find this bottom plate and this right here. And this is going to go off in here, bolt to this. Now looking at this, like I said, the instructions are pretty easy to read, and to top it off, it did come with the tools we need to tighten everything down, it looks like. So this is our step one. Now for the next step, we're going to take our 3 legs, which we got this one right here, which we just put this on. This piece right here, which is going to go a little past center. And then we got this one right here, which is going to go back there. Now as we continue, next step, we're going to take this right here, and this is going to bolt right here to this center leg we put on just the step previous. Now as we go to step 4, we're going to take this brace right here, and it's going to bolt right in between here, connecting these 2 pieces right there to sturdy it up. So for this next part, we're going to take this pulley, or this deal right here that our cable's going to go in, attach it to this, and then slide it in there and bolt this down. So for this next part, we're going to take our cable. It's actually going to have this end connection. It's going to slide onto this bar. We'll bolt that in. And then this arm, we're going to attach right down here, like so. Now for this next step, what we got to do is connect our cable to this plate right up here. We'll just come up through this pulley and bolt it on in. As we continue on, we'll take this and it will bolt right up here. Now we're going to get our handle and it's going to bolt right up underneath here. We're going to take our other handle and it's going to bolt up right back here. As we continue on with this, it's time to put our pads on there. And they're going to bolt in right up there and underneath it. Now the very last thing we have are these pieces, which will slide right off in here for resistant bands. Now this machine is all together. Even with me filming, this thing didn't even take 30 minutes to put together. Now, like I said, this was fairly easy to put together. It took me about 30 minutes from start to finish, and that's even with filming. Like I said, the instructions were really clear, easy to follow. The only thing I did use a socket to help tighten up stuff a lot quicker than the wrenches. I have them around here, and I did have to supply my own sockets to get the nuts right up here. That was the only tool that was not included, was the 13 and 14 millimeter for the bolt right there. Now they did have a 14, but I needed the 13 for the whole backup on there. That was the only tool that was not supplied with this. And if you have, I mean, you didn't even really have to have a socket. You could, for the most part, get it tight with some pliers or whatever you have on hand, but you don't want to strip that out. So if you can, get the correct socket or wrench, help make that process a lot easier. Now, as we look at this all together, like I said, we have multiple handles to use depending on what exercise we are trying to accomplish with this. And if we come over to this side, we have this pot pin right here where we can drop the seat. Like I said, there's multiple seat positions. We got 4 of them to choose from, whether they're flat or... So there's lots of different things you can do with this machine. As you see with this cable, it is using the pulleys. And that actually works a lot better than a lot of the other machines you see on the market, where this is all fixed and there's no cable. And so you get certain points in your workout or whatever you're trying to do where there's least resistance, and this right here, it's pretty constant going up and down as far as your resistance. Now, as we look over here, we have this pin right here where we're able to move it all over the place, depending on what exercise you're trying to accomplish as well. So you're able to do more than just a single type of exercise with this. Now with this machine, you got basically 2 main functions of it. Granted, there are other things you can use this machine for, but we have that. Then we come over here, drop our back, move that. I always flip that up there at the beginning, makes it a little easier to get started. Simple, easy, whole lot nicer than some of the other ones I've messed with, and let me show you why. As we look at other functions, as you see, we have a weight horn right here. Now, this right here serves more than just holding the weights. This does actually help stabilize the machine as you were using it. Granted, it didn't move much before, but it makes it a lot more sturdy with them plates on there. Now, as we look over this machine, you also see we have multiple handles on this to help achieve better workouts on here. That way we're able to brace ourselves how we want. And they're nice, tight to the machine. Now, the only downfall is that rubber that they're using there is not the strongest, not the best. But you can't complain for the price of this thing. Now, this, like I said, real easy to put together. Fairly cheap. Like I said, standard price I saw it online was around $400, but I've seen it as low as $300. Right now, I believe on Amazon, it's like $329 with their little coupon you can click on there. Like I said, I don't have any affiliate links or anything with this company. They have no idea who I am. I'm not a fitness channel. I'm not a fitness guy. Granted, I do want to get more into it because my health, and this right here is the start of it. Because, heck, 41 years old now, and I've beat my body up over the years doing stuff I probably shouldn't have done, actually knowing stuff I shouldn't have done, acting stupid as a kid, or at certain jobs doing whatever it was I was trying to do, and my body's starting to pay for it. Like I said, no gallbladder, with Lyme disease. I need to do stuff to help to improve my health, and especially with the Lyme disease, it hurts my joints constantly, where I need to start working them out more to hopefully make it where they're just not in as much pain. So that's something to think about with on my end. But hope y'all like this. If you're wanting to see more fitness equipment put together or anything like that, leave a comment below. Do you have this yourself or mess with anything like it? Let me know as well. Like I said, I'm actually looking for more equipment to get in here. I do want to get some more stuff in here. I want to get away from that monstrosity I have back there, because there's a lot newer, better stuff on the market. That right there, I bought in 2018, right around the same time we moved shops with my old business, and I was no longer able to make it to the gym anymore. So I wanted to find something better to replace that with, as well as get maybe like a squat or leg press or one of them combos that you see on the market. So anything you want to see, let me know. Leave in the comments. Hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel. And until next time, y'all take it easy.